An electric car jack provides effortless power when you need it most. When you're stranded on the roadside with a flat and you want to change that tire fast. Simply plug the tool into your vehicle's power socket/cigarette lighter, and you've got automatic lifting at the touch of a button. In this video, we'll review the best electric car jack, comparing their durability, design, and compatibility with different electric car jack. By the end, you'll know exactly which best electric car jack is best for your needs. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. The e-HEELP electric car jack is a powerful, all-in-one solution designed to make tire changes and emergency car repairs faster, safer, and more conveniently. Powered by a hydraulic system, this jack can lift vehicles up to 5 tons in under 2 minutes, with a lifting range of 6.1 to 17.7 inches. Ideal for sedans, SUVs, MPVs, pickups, and trucks. It operates using either your vehicle's cigarette lighter or battery, though the battery is recommended for a more stable power supply. A built-in tire inflator with pressure display allows for easy monitoring and inflation, while an ergonomic electric impact wrench helps users remove and tighten lug nuts quickly and effortlessly. Designed for real-world use, the jack includes dual LED lights for nighttime or low-light conditions and is waterproof for rainy day operation. Whether you're on a road trip, at home, or working in a repair shop, this kit is practical and reliable. It also features intelligent overload protection that automatically stops lifting when the weight limit is exceeded, ensuring safety. Additionally, the included red triangle can be used as an emergency warning sign. With a money-back guarantee and excellent customer service, the e-HEELP electric car jack offers peace of mind and top-tier performance in any roadside situation. Thanks for watching the video.